this camera under the truck, and they've got already the main bearings and the rod bearings. Now let's take a look what it looks like. Do you see the color of these? These came off from the rod bearings. We caught them just good on time, man. My lord, if this thing would have snapped and broken in half, and you are looking at a different catastrophe in the middle of the highway, in the middle of nowhere, and no one will have mercy for you. No one will care for you. No one will reach their hands up. Only God will drop his hands above the sky and lift you up in the heavens. But no, sir, this ain't going to happen. So this was a very wise choice. The truck had about 726,000 miles, approximately miles. I'm not quite really sure, and I can't guarantee on the miles, but it is over 720,000 miles, and this is what we got. Rod bearings are going faster than the main bearings. Main bearings look very good, but this particular one is rod bearing. So there you go, guys. Anything below 750,000 miles, and don't push it, don't hit 750, because you need to get these things done 700,000 miles, at least the most to the I say about 500,000 to 700,000 miles. The risk you'll take, it's all on you, son, because when you don't do it, it will cost you so much. Everything, your whole life will fall apart. You'll be in the ditch, I tell you that much. Well, this is a lot to learn, guys. When I want to say thank you for watching, please don't forget to subscribe, and come on, guys, because down here Trucker Bug does get you guys up some nice videos and something really to know things. Yeah, a little bit of fun, a little bit good times, and mainly working hard. Well, keep on trucking and hit that button down there and subscribe and join the club. And most of you newcomers, thank you for stopping by, and keep on rolling those videos, because everything else, what life is all about. Keep on trucking.